The hair that I'm going to be using is the V8910 Bohemian Curl. I purchased it from my beauty supply store for $15.99. I kind of want like an aged look, so I left my cornrows that I had in for a while just so that you're not seeing clean parts. The back was twisted up. This was just a little protective style that I had, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to cornrow the back area so that I have a base to crochet my hair on. What I like about this hair is that it gives you a completed look in one pack. It comes with 3 bundles with 3 different inches, 8, 9, and 10. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna start crocheting my hair. You crochet your hair by inserting the needle into your braid, and then you're gonna take your hair and you're gonna put it through the needle, pull it out, and then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna tie it. I'm making sure that the hair is even before I tie it in a knot. And I'm gonna show you guys one more time just in case you didn't catch that and you don't know how to crochet. So again, I'm gonna take my needle, I'm gonna insert it in my braid. I'm gonna take the hair and I'm gonna put it inside the needle, close that latch. I'm gonna pull the hair through. And then after I pull the hair through, I'm gonna make sure that that piece of crochet here is even before I go ahead and I tie it into a knot. I'm going to continue to do this process to the back of my hair until I'm working my way up to the front. Again, I'm starting off with 8 inches in the back. Now, when I say the back, I also mean the sides as well. So after I finish completing that bottom row, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn around, and I'm also going to add that crochet here to the sides because I want it to be an even base throughout my entire head so that the lower level of my hair has the 8 inches, the middle section of my hair has the 9 inches, and then the top section of my hair is going to have the 10 inches. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut in the end just to frame my face. So this is what you're seeing me do here. After doing that first row in the back, I'm gonna go ahead and proceed with doing it to the front of my hair as well. And then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on both sides. So this is the completed 8 inches that I have here. And like I said, after I'm done with my 8 inches, I'm then gonna proceed with adding the 9 inches into my hair where I'm showing you guys. And then once I'm done with the 9 inches, then the rest of my hair is gonna be the 10 inches. I'm showing you guys how much hair is left with the 8 inches. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like with the 9 inches. And it's getting dark, so you see I started using my ring light, but I'm showing you guys what the 8 and the 9 inches looks like. You don't use the whole pack. You could just use your discretion on how much hair you want to have, how full you want it, how leveled or layered you want it to be. But when I get to the front of my hair, I do it a little bit different so that you don't see the knots and also the parting. So as you can see here, instead of me crocheting the hair on the actual braid, I'm actually going below the braid. I'm pulling the needle underneath the braid, and then I'm going to crochet on the braid, and then I'm going to crochet on top of the braid, if that makes sense. That way I have more of a fuller look, and you don't see the crochet knots per se. So that's what I'm doing here, is I'm just putting the needle underneath the braid first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do it on the braid and then underneath. I already explained that to you. I'm just gonna let you just see what I'm talking about. Once I get to where the parting is, I'm gonna start doing the invisible knot method. Basically what that means is I'm only going to knot one side. So as you see, I'm gonna grab the hair, I'm gonna put it in the crochet needle, I'm gonna close the latch, I'm gonna pull the hair through. Instead of taking those two pieces, I'm just going to knot one side. So I'm taking that one side and I'm gonna pull the hair through, and it's gonna knot that way. That way you will not see the knot when you pull it over. See? Invisible knot method. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna continue to show you me doing the invisible knot method, and I'll be right back with my voiceover. So I gotta finish the rest in the morning just so that the recording looks a little bit better. It's 8:55 and I have to put Tamia to sleep. She is right here by my tripod, and I really don't like the way the lighting is looking right now. So I'm gonna finish it in the morning so you guys can see. All I have left is to do this. I have to finish recording in the morning because I gotta put this one to sleep. And then also I'm using just one lighting. Yep, Pumpkin, you got your bonnet on. And I'm also just using one of my lightings right here. Like, look at that. Bam! So it's not looking too good. I'm not really liking the way the lighting is, and I actually prefer the way it looks with the daytime lighting. So I'm gonna finish in the morning when I have the daytime lighting, right? Say hi. Give me a kiss. So I'm gonna finish in the morning where I have daytime lighting and you guys can see how it looks. But so far I have a lot of the 8 inches left, and I just have just this little patch back here, and then I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna do a little bit of touch-ups. Obviously I'm gonna fluff out the curls, but for right now I'm just gonna throw my bonnet on and call it a night, and then in the morning time I'm going to finish recording, right? My hair in this bonnet. And I'm gonna call it a night, and I'll see you guys in the morning. So here's the final look, guys. I honestly like it. I feel like I could have done just a little bit better around the hairline. I feel like I could have just teased it a little bit so it's not as knotty, but I actually really liked it. I got a lot of compliments about how nice my hair is, and I'm just like, dude, this is crochet. See, like right there, like I wish it was like wasn't so knotty, but I think I did a pretty decent job. The edge control that I put in my hair definitely left a white cast, and that looks yeah, this is the edge control I'm talking about. So just be careful, because this edge control definitely leaves a white cast after. But this is all the hair that I have left from the packs that of the whole bundle here. But it looks really cute. I would tell you this end scene was a week after. You have to let it settle for it to look good. Like, you have to let it settle and it looks better. Like, the older it gets, the better it looks. This is me just trying to play around with it, trying to give myself a little bangy bang shebang bang, but I actually really preferred the side part. I can also have a middle part if I wanted to. Wasn't really a fan of it. I really just like the side part. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. If you have any questions, you can leave them below. Everything will be in the description below as well. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.